Okay, Dodge Hemi race car fans, Gause Garage coming to you from Lakewood Ranch, Florida at their annual Elks car show. And sitting before you is a 68 Dodge Dart Hemi, factory Hemi race car recreation. It has been faithfully recreated. The owner, Andy, does not want to drive around a real one, so he bought this car, and it is fantastic. Look at that. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Attention to detail. Everything is just so. Whoever put the car together, they did an outstanding job. Let's get around here. Look at those pie crust tires, just like on the original. Super stacked automatic 426. Let's have a look. Oh, even the A100 seats. How about that, folks? And yes, look at that 68 dash. It's got the lower pad. That's where everybody put their smokes and everything else they wanted to carry along in the car. But just when you turn the corner, it would slide back and forth. Anyway, this harkens back to the days of Dandy Dick Landy when he was campaigning these cars. And all the famous drag racers. And you are looking at one beautiful recreation. And Andy, how long have you owned this car now, Andy?
I've owned it for 4 years.
4 years? Fantastic. And what about the driving dynamics on it?
It's a fun car to drive.
Yes.
But you need to pay attention because it has bias ply tires.
Yes.
And cheater slicks.
Yes.
So it gets
Okay.
caught in every crack in the road and wants to go wherever the road goes rather than where you want to point to.
Absolutely. Yeah. But power-wise, it's got to be an animal.
It is. It is. It has no problem getting out of its own way.
Cool. And you know what? This is probably one of the most faithful recreations I've seen in a super stock automatic Dart. There was, 80 of them, the real ones, 80 for Darts and then 80 Barracudas approximately. Yeah. Okay. And I have to hand it to you. This car is immaculate, my friend.
Thank you.
Yep, very nice car. And there you have it, Mopar fans. This is Gause Garage coming to you from Lakewood Ranch Elks Annual Car Show. And this is Andy and his 68 Super Stock Automatic 426 Dodge Dart. Thank you, Andy.
All right, thanks, Matt.
Thank you very much.